Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's reshaping the landscape of data science. MLOps, or machine learning operations. So, what is it? And why is it becoming a game changer in managing machine learning projects? Let's get into it. First, let's break down machine learning, or ML. In simple terms, ML uses algorithms to parse data, learn from it, and then make a determination or prediction about something in the world. Pretty cool, right? But as much as it sounds straightforward, ML projects are far from simple. They involve complex data sets and continuously evolving models. Enter MLOps. This practice combines machine learning, DevOps, and data engineering to standardize and streamline the life cycle of ML projects. Think of MLOps as the backbone that supports the entire process, from data collection and model training to deployment and management. It ensures that ML systems are not only scalable, but also reproducible and maintainable. Now, why is MLOps essential? Well, without it, teams might face issues like model decay, where an algorithm becomes less effective over time, or data leakage, where information from outside the training dataset is used erroneously to make predictions. MLOps aims to tackle these challenges head-on. One of the core components of MLOps is automation. Automation in MLOps helps in continuous integration, delivery, and deployment of ML models. This means faster rollouts and testing of new models and features without sacrificing quality or performance. It's all about making the machine learning workflow as efficient and error-free as possible. Moreover, MLOps fosters collaboration among data scientists, engineers, and IT professionals. This integrated approach not only speeds up the developmental cycle, but also ensures that the projects are aligned with business objectives and compliance standards. To sum it up, MLOps isn't just a buzzword. It's a robust framework that enhances the effectiveness and efficiency of machine learning projects. By implementing MLOps, businesses can ensure that their data science projects are not just successful in the short term, but also sustainable in the long haul. That's all for today, folks. Whether you're a data scientist, a project manager, or just a tech enthusiast, understanding MLOps gives you a crucial edge in today's data-driven world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time.